guys, so nandito po kami ngayon sa Global Village with my sister. Ayan. Ayan. So, nandito kami, namasyal kami sa Global Village and you can see the entrance pa lang, napakaganda na po, oh. Iba-iba po ng color yan. Ayan. Ayan. So, napakaganda po ng design. At saka yung color niya is paiba-iba. Ayan. Tingnan niyo po. Now is blue color. Now is color blue. Blue color. And then it will transform into another color. Just wait. And it will transform to different colors. So, ayan, it's turned into gold. It's gold now. Now it's turning into pink. Now it's pink. It's purple. Ayan po, oh, napakadaming tao kasi tuwing winter po dito, open itong Global Village dito sa Dubai. So, dinadayo po talaga ito ng mga turista. And you can see all the different pavilion inside. Para kang magtutour around the world. Ayan po, oh. Now it's pink color. Pink color now. Okay, and now it's turning into red. Now it's red color. So, entrance pa lang po yan. Pasili pa lang sa entrance ng Global Village. So, inside is more exciting and more fun inside. Kasi napakadami pa pong mga pavilion. So, all over the world, parang malilibot mo po talaga ang buong mundo. Each pavilion, pwede nyong pasukin and mag-picture kayo. So, wait and see and I will show you also. Ipapakita ko rin po sa inyo sa loob kung ano yung mga meron sa loob, yung mga pavilion ng bawat bansa. So, ayan, we are just here at the entrance. Ayan po, yung Global Village. Ayan. And dito po ang entrance kung saan ito po ang pasukan ng lahat ng mga turista na pumapasok dito, yung bumibisita dito. Ayan. So, napakaganda po ng entrance pa lang. And tingnan po natin mamaya pag nasa loob na kami. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys.